Ever felt like your body was just working against you? Like your metabolism was genetically stuck in first gear, no matter what you did? I totally get it. For years, I was right there with you. I'd meticulously measure out bird-sized portions, drag myself out of bed for miserable 5 a.m. sprints, and still watch the scale stubbornly crawl upward. It was beyond frustrating. It felt like a betrayal. I genuinely believed my metabolism was just broken, a lost cause. But then, something shifted. I stumbled upon 3 embarrassingly simple habits that completely flipped the script for me. These weren't about more punishing workouts, expensive pills, or restrictive diets. In fact, they felt lazy. Yet, they allowed me to burn more calories, shed stubborn weight, and finally feel in control of my body, all without really trying that hard. If you've been blaming bad genes or feeling defeated by a slow metabolism, please stick around. These tiny tweaks didn't just nudge my metabolism, they practically rebooted it. And I have a strong feeling they might do the same for you. The first lazy trick: hot water. Let's kick things off with something so basic you might dismiss it. But trust me, this one's a quiet powerhouse. It's all about hydration, especially with hot water, first thing in the morning. Think about it. Every single chemical reaction inside your body, including all those crucial metabolic processes, absolutely needs water to function properly. Without enough of it, things start to slow down. Even mild dehydration can significantly drop your calorie burn, slow down your metabolism, and leave you feeling sluggish. So, what's the trick? I start my day with a big, comforting mug of hot water. No lemon, no honey, no fancy additions, just hot. The warmth does a couple of cool things. Firstly, it gives your core temperature a tiny nudge upward. This slight increase can actually raise your resting metabolic rate for about 30 minutes, giving you a small but noticeable boost in calorie burning right when you wake up. It sounds almost too simple, right? But those 15 bonus calories, while you're still wiping sleep from your eyes, add up over time. More importantly though, hot water is an incredible aid for your digestive system. It acts like a gentle internal cleanse, helping to break down food and fats more effectively. This means your breakfast metabolizes smoother, reducing the likelihood of food lingering in your intestines and getting stored as fat. Plus, if you've ever struggled with morning bloat or constipation, hot water can be a game changer. Dehydration is a common culprit for digestive issues like constipation, and warm water helps hydrate your system, softening stools and promoting regular bowel movements. It also stimulates digestive enzymes, improving the absorption of nutrients. Consider this. When you drink water, your body expends energy to warm that water to body temperature, a process called water-induced thermogenesis, which further contributes to calorie burn. Beyond metabolism, drinking hot water can improve blood circulation, help flush out toxins through improved digestion and even sweat, and can even have a calming effect, reducing stress. It's zero prep, zero mess, and zero cost. Before coffee, before emails, I down 12 ounces. After just 2 weeks of this ridiculously easy habit, my stomach felt flatter, and that annoying morning bloat vanished. It truly is one of those foundational habits that sets the stage for everything else. The second lazy trick: green tea on autopilot. Next up, we're tapping into a quiet, fat-burning MVP that's probably already sitting in your pantry: green tea. Now, I know what you might be thinking. Green tea? Seriously? But this isn't just about a healthy beverage. It's about harnessing a powerful metabolic cocktail. Each cup isn't just a soothing drink. It's packed with about 30 milligrams of caffeine and a potent antioxidant called EGCG, epigallocatechin gallate. Here's where it gets interesting. EGCG and caffeine work together in a synergistic way to significantly increase thermogenesis. That's your body's internal furnace, burning calories to produce heat. Studies have shown that this dynamic duo can boost your metabolism by about 4% over a 24-hour period. This is particularly valuable for weight management. Furthermore, green tea can play a role in appetite suppression and increasing feelings of fullness, which can help curb unnecessary snacking and overeating. Some research even suggests it can improve glucose regulation and insulin sensitivity, both crucial factors in preventing fat storage and reducing the risk of metabolic issues. So, how do I make this lazy? I brew a strong cup at 10 a.m., then immediately ice a second for my mid-afternoon slump. I often sneak a third while dinner cooks. Aiming for 3 to 5 cups daily is a great target, and you can enjoy it hot or iced. Want to supercharge it? Add a slice of lemon or a bit of ginger for extra flavor and additional metabolic benefits. Keep a box of green tea bags or loose leaf on your desk, in your bag, or by your kettle. Treat it like essential hydration, not a chore. After a month of this, my jeans started sliding on without the usual hip dance, and I hadn't added a single workout. It's a simple, low-cost habit that pays dividends. The third lazy trick: NEAT all day. Alright, this third trick might just be my favorite because it completely redefines what exercise means. We're talking about NEAT, non-exercise activity thermogenesis. That's the fancy scientific acronym for move around without planning. Forget the gym for a second. NEAT encompasses all the calories you burn from everyday physical activity that isn't formal exercise, sleeping, or eating. This includes everything from fidgeting in your chair to standing while you scroll, pacing during phone calls, tapping your foot, or even doing household chores. And here's the kicker: NEAT can actually contribute a lot more to your daily calorie expenditure than a structured workout session, simply because you're doing it all day long. Think about it. Even if you hit the gym for an hour, what are you doing for the other 15 plus waking hours? Most of us are sitting, and prolonged sitting slows down your metabolism and contributes to various health risks. This is where NEAT becomes your secret weapon. Studies show that people who naturally fidget or move more throughout the day can burn hundreds of extra calories compared to those who sit still. We're talking anywhere from 20 to 30% more energy expenditure than just sitting, potentially up to 350 extra calories a day from fidgeting alone. Even simply standing instead of sitting can burn an additional 20 to 50 calories per hour. Over an 8-hour workday, that could be an extra 160 to 400 calories burned. So, how do you integrate this lazy movement? I set a silent phone reminder every 45 minutes. When it buzzes, I stand up, roll my shoulders, maybe walk to the mailbox, or just stretch. That's it. Instead of emailing a colleague across the office, I walk over. When I'm on the phone, I pace. These micro moves are effortless and don't require any special equipment or sweat. Over a day, these seemingly insignificant movements can add up to the caloric equivalent of a 2-mile jog, except you never break a sweat or feel like you're exercising. It's about turning your everyday environment into an opportunity for subtle, consistent movement. Alright, we've covered 3 surprisingly simple ways to fire up your metabolism. Pause here. Which of these 3 lazy hacks feels easiest for you to try first? Hot water, green tea, or just wiggling more? Comment water, tea, or wiggle below so I know where you're starting your journey. The beauty of this approach is its sustainability. You don't feel deprived, you don't dread your workout, and you don't need to carve out extra time in an already busy schedule. I dropped 7 pounds in 5 weeks doing exactly this, and yes, I still enjoyed pizza night. It's about creating a consistent calorie deficit through smart, subtle habits, allowing your body to naturally tap into its fat stores. Your metabolism isn't a static number stamped on your birth certificate. It's a dynamic dial you absolutely can nudge and optimize. These aren't temporary fixes. They're sustainable lifestyle shifts. They're about working with your body, not against it. If you got value from this, please hit that like button so the algorithm can bring this message to someone else who's still stuck in diet hell, and don't forget to subscribe for more lazy health hacks.